Did you know that medical therapeutic yoga is a powerful tool that can help relieve stress, anxiety, pain, and suffering for nurses? In this video, I'll share with you how medical therapeutic yoga can help nurses like you improve the quality of life and help you become more mindful in your practice. Whether you're a seasoned nurse or just starting out, this information is for you. So let's get started. Medical therapeutic yoga is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to promote healing and well-being. It combines the traditional yoga postures, breathing techniques, and meditation practices with a focus on anatomy and physiology. This approach allows nurses to tap into the body's natural healing abilities and alleviate pain and suffering. There are several ways that medical therapeutic yoga can benefit nurses. First, it helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Nurses are constantly bombarded with stressful situations, and this can take a toll on their mental and emotional health. Medical therapeutic yoga teaches nurses how to manage stress by focusing on their breath and body. By practicing yoga, nurses can develop a sense of calm and clarity that can help them handle the demands of their job more effectively. Second, medical therapeutic yoga can help nurses relieve chronic pain. Many nurses suffer from chronic pain due to the physically demanding nature of the job. Yoga's combination of postures, breathing techniques, and body awareness can help nurses release tension and pain in their bodies. Third, medical therapeutic yoga promotes a holistic approach to healing. This approach takes into account the mind, body, and spirit of the patient, and it helps nurses to see the interconnectedness of all these aspects. This can lead to a more comprehensive and compassionate approach to patient care. Fourth, medical therapeutic yoga can help nurses improve their flexibility and balance. These are essential for performing certain tasks safely and efficiently. Fifth, medical therapeutic yoga can help nurses develop a strong sense of community. Yoga classes are a great way to meet like-minded individuals who are also on a journey of self-discovery and healing. For holistic spiritual lifestyle nurses, medical therapeutic yoga is a must-have tool. It can help you become more present and attuned to the needs of your patients. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you can tap into the healing power of this ancient practice and make a positive impact on the lives of both your patients and yourself. If you're interested in learning more about the YogaNurse path to healing, be sure to check out my platform where I offer a variety of resources, including online courses, coaching services, and a supportive community of like-minded nurses. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing about your journey to becoming a holistic spiritual lifestyle nurse. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos and to stay up to date on the latest news and research. You can also follow me on social media to connect with other nurses and share your experiences. Together, we can make a difference in the world of nursing and help create a more peaceful and fulfilling future for ourselves and our patients.